summer camp for gay men.
Yeah,
That's
yeah, like while we were waiting for the ferry, we ran into two friends that we met in DC like 4 years ago.
right. So we have our friend Darren. We never see him but here.
Yeah.
But as soon as we see him, it's like
We're best.
he said it was a ripper.
3 bowls, 3 years. Waiting for a big shark to pop up. There have been so many sharks.
Yes, including the largest known great white in the world.
Yeah, it's like every day